HIT-NOT is the world's most precise collision avoidance system and pedestrian alert system available on the market. It was developed by Frederick Energy Products about 15 years ago. It was actually developed for the mining industry because this system will actually read through solid objects. So in the mining industry, it'll read through bedrock. There's a lot of accidents that happen based on blind corners, not being able to see the pedestrian or the vehicle approaching. So this system is far superior to any of the others because it has that functionality.
So we go in and evaluate what their situations are and look at their traffic patterns and how they operate and how their people work around the mobile equipment so that we fully understand what their operation needs and how to apply our system to be the most beneficial for them.
The main reason why you would want to use the HIT-NOT proximity detection system over any other system that's out there or over any other technology that's out there is for three main reasons. The first reason is, unlike RFID or LiDAR or camera systems, this system will read through solid objects because we use low frequency magnetic fields. The system is also very precise and adjustable, so no matter what type of equipment you're putting it on, whether it be a large piece of construction equipment, a internal standard forklift, or even a maintenance buggy or a golf cart, it's very versatile. It's easy to install. It simply bolts onto the equipment, and it's a two-wire interconnect 12-volt system. Puts out a 360-degree field. Again, so it's not line of sight. It's one simple device. You don't have to put multiple systems on there, and it can be used in any applications. It's also very precise. So the fields are adjustable on the forklifts, all the way down from about 15 feet all the way up to about 65 feet. And those are very precise. They're not like, say, an RFID signal or an ultra wideband signal that they're high frequency, so their signals are very reflective. So they tend to bounce around. They can't penetrate objects because they will bounce off of them. So just being able to see through those solid objects and the preciseness of the field makes this system far superior.
We have all kinds of situations where we have areas that are very controlled, a lot of traffic, and they want to make sure that the pedestrian's wearing the device when they go into those areas. So we even have access controls where we can lock gates or doors so that pedestrians can't walk out into these areas without having the personal alarm device on. Yes, so we have worked with a lot of customers who had accidents. We get those calls and go visit and watch the videos where people have actually gotten run over. It's pretty brutal. But we have not had a single customer who's used our system properly and installed it and worked with us that has had a struck by accident since implementing our technology.
The main feedback that we receive from the customers is, it's two-part, I think. One is they really see the benefit of the technology when it's implemented properly and when it's managed and used properly. Part of the reason that our customers are so successful is because we really focus on the application up front. We work with them to make sure that they're getting not only the right equipment, but they're getting it implemented in the way that's going to be valuable to them. And we absolutely pride ourselves on customer support. We have a lot of customers that their main feedback is we always answer the phone. We're always very responsive. We believe in getting back to our customers as soon as possible. We have many different applications for the system. It's not specifically for forklifts. We use it on everything from large construction equipment all the way down to maintenance buggies and golf carts. We even use it on automated robots. As the trend in warehousing specifically, and a lot of manufacturing process, is moving towards automated devices or machinery, we can put the system on those as well.
We're on everything from golf carts and maintenance buggies to big wheel loaders and cranes and everything in between. I mean, we have a lot of companies that have multiple types of piece of equipment and multiple size field settings. That's another unique thing about our technology. So we may have, in a facility that's really large, we may have as many as 4 or 5 or 6 field size settings based off of how big that piece of equipment is. But the personal alarm device, you can take that and go anywhere in that facility, and it communicates individually to each one of those pieces of equipment based off its field size.
The companies that primarily are going to benefit from this technology and from using Syntech are all types of manufacturing and warehousing companies that use mobile equipment as part of their daily routine, that interact with pedestrians, which is really almost every manufacturing and warehousing company out there. We see all types of different applications, all types of different manufacturing processes, and they all at some point throughout the day put pedestrians in harm's way of mobile equipment.
So if you assign those personal alarm devices to individuals, we can tell you what person steps into what field of what lift at what time of day, whether they walk into a warning zone and step out or continue on into a danger zone and stand beside a running lift for 2 minutes, 10 minutes, however long it may be. This provides you some very, very valuable information on what's going on in your facility. And there is no other technology out there that can do and provide what we can to create a safer environment in your facility.